Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's October 10th. It's Wednesday morning, and grain markets overnight have had very narrow trading ranges, not a lot of activity, and not much of a catalyst to push this market either way. The grains are running into some resistance because of global equity markets. The IMF announced or released an address yesterday that they are concerned about the EU bank situation, and that has put some pressure on equity markets around the world and also causing some risk-off type attitude here in the commodities this morning. The harvest report yesterday afternoon showed that we got 69% of the corn harvested and 58% of the beans. Not quite as aggressive as some were thinking, that we could be over 70 and over 60 on the soybeans. But even at those numbers that were released yesterday, we're setting a record pace for harvest. Average would be 28% corn harvested and 40% on the beans. China soybeans overnight down again about 15 cents. The feeling there is that they're just trying to get in line because of the last week's vacation or holiday that they had in China. They're trying to get in line with U.S. bean prices, and that's why they're down a bit here this morning again. Some news overnight, Argentina's port strike that surprised everybody here, but it hasn't had much of an impact on any price adjustments. Currently, U.S. corn is sitting at about $3.18 a ton versus Argentina at $2.67 and Brazil at $2.35. So there's a lot of reasons why we're not seeing any corn exports coming out of the U.S. We do have the crop report tomorrow morning. Trade's looking for corn yields to be up slightly, soybean yields to be up more significantly. The trade average is 37 bushel an acre on soybeans versus USDA's last estimate of 35.3. We got to believe that from what traders and customers of ours are telling us, their harvests are quite a bit surprising, in many cases 20 bushel an acre more than what they were expecting. So wouldn't be surprised to see that bean number even be greater than the 37 bushel an acre number that the trade estimate is right now. The export sales data will come out on Friday because of the Columbus holiday last Monday. So some things to look forward there. Expect, two-sided trade here going into the close today, and as we get closer to that report tomorrow morning. In the livestock trade, choice beef up 63, select up 87 yesterday. Pork increased 140 on the cutout value yesterday. We see the technical action showing some improvement here on the charts. Some buying kicking in, but concerned about how long this meat demand will support things, as the slowdown in slaughter last week and this week's slaughter is running below what we think we need to keep this cattle market current. So something to be concerned about here as we move forward. The pork complex has had a nice run, nice seasonal run here. We're concerned that we could see some topping action here in the pork complex over the next 5 to 10 days. So watch that closely. Stay in touch with Allendale's advisory report, and we'll keep you informed there. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning after the USDA report. Thank you.